For today's makeup look, we're doing this mechanical heart makeup look, like you are a robot or a machine with a mechanical heart inside. To start out, I'm using a white eyeliner to sketch the areas that I want to have open. I'm using Mehron skin wax for a skin-like texture, and using Vaseline to smooth it out, and adhering it with Mehron's liquid latex, putting a little bit of the liquid latex down and then the skin wax on top. Then smoothing down one side of the skin wax to make it look like it's coming from within the skin. Then putting translucent powder on top. Then I made a gold heart with Model Magic, leaving the black flat so we could adhere it on the skin. Then using more Model Magic to make these sort of wires coming from the heart. Then I probably should have done this part first, but now I'm filling in the background with gray face paint. Then going over the wire areas with gold metallic powder. Then adding these small metal clock-like pieces and adhering them with the liquid latex, trying to fill in the shapes we made as best as possible, and alternating between bronze, silver, and gold colors. Then I went ahead and did my makeup. Then with the Ben Nye color wheel, I'm using the red to go around the outside of the skin areas to make it look irritated. Just putting a little bit on the brush and then brushing it around the outside. Then with a thick liquid blood, I'm creating some drips. This one's a bit darker and thicker than most liquid bloods. Then with a regular liquid blood, I'm going around the outside of all the hole shapes. And that completes this mechanical robot heart makeup look. I wanted it to look like you were seeing the robot heart within. Let me know what you guys think of this Halloween makeup look in the comments down below, and thank you so much for watching.